Imagine being just minutes away from a rich, creamy Italian pasta. Fettuccine that takes you straight to the heart of Rome with one bite. If you love delicious, quick recipes, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel, because today, we're making something simple yet absolutely irresistible. For the sauce, I'm using a flavorful blend of fresh tomatoes, garlic, bell pepper, and a touch of onion, simple ingredients that bring a rich, homemade taste to our fettuccine. Bake it in the oven at 180°C350F for 40 minutes, until everything is perfectly cooked and the flavors are beautifully blended. We're going to grill the chicken breast, so go ahead and cut it in whatever way feels easiest to eat: thin slices, strips, or cubes. It's totally up to you. To season the chicken breast, I'm just using grated garlic and a pinch of salt, simple, yet full of flavor. Once it's out of the oven, we blend everything into a smooth puree and turn it into a vibrant, delicious sauce, the heart of our fettuccine's flavor. You can grill the chicken using whatever you have on hand. I keep it simple and cook everything in one pan. Oh, I absolutely love this part. We sprinkle a little paprika for extra flavor and color, then arrange the beautiful fettuccine in the pan like little flowers. It looks so cute and cozy. Now we add a bit of water and let it cook for about 15 minutes, until the fettuccine is perfectly tender and the liquid has evaporated. Finally, we add a touch of fresh parsley for extra flavor and color, and it's ready to serve. I promise you'll fall in love with this healthy, diet-friendly dish. Give it a try, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.